Happy New Year! It's 2026 na at nakita ko tong meme na to sa Facebook. 2026 is equal daw kay 1 raised to 0 plus 2 raised to 0 plus 3 plus 3 raised to 0 until kay 2026 is equal to 0. Okay, this is actually true. Yan, yung 2026 is equal dito. Bakit? Okay, tandaan natin na meron tayo sa mathematics na kapag ang number is naka-raised to 0, for example, if you have 10 raised to 0, ang sagot doon is 1. If you have 3 raised to 0, ang sagot doon is 1. If 1 million raised to 0, the answer is still 1. Except lang doon sa 0, raised to 0, hindi to pwede ha. Except sa 0, lahat ng number na naka-raise to 0, ang answer is always equal 1. Okay? So therefore, kapag sinimplify natin to, 1 raised to 0, that is 1, plus 2 raised to 0, that is still 1, plus 3 raised to 0, that is still 1, up until 2026 raised to 0, that is still 1. 'Di ba? Kasi mula kay 1 raised to 0 hanggang 2026 raised to 0, kapag inadd mo silang lahat ng from 1 hanggang 2026, the answer is still 2026. So therefore, this is really true.